This video is aimed at Level 3 within Positive Behaviour Support for individuals with intensive support needs.
Hello and welcome to my new training video on Positive Behaviour Support. My name is Coach Carnall.
Hey Simon, are you a baseball coach?
No, I'm not. Hold on a minute. If I say I'm a baseball coach, do I get to keep the whistle?
Yeah.
Roll musical intro!
A simple step-by-step guide for any professionals, parents or individuals who are involved in producing a positive behaviour support plan to minimise or eradicate behaviours that challenge and enhance the person's quality of life. Enjoy the course. Okay, so we're inside a positive behaviour support plan. And has the person give consent for this plan? It may read, I agree with this plan and staff to follow the plan in my best interests. Okay, the next section, it's all about me. This is about the person, their interests, hobbies, jobs. The person themselves are the ones that know more about them than you do. So give ownership. Oh, and hold on. Jill, where's the picture?
Oh yeah, sorry, this is the best I could find.
You can find more details on consequence reward charts in our other video. Let's plan! Using the PBS plan found in our resources, complete the About Me column along with the person's likes, dislikes and wishes. Press the pause button now while you complete these columns. When ready, press play to continue.
Time out!
Pacing, shouting, increased swearing, certain stimming. These are all signs that should be in the plan. Of this is, if you see an early warning sign, you switch strategies. More about this later. Let's plan! Using the same positive behaviour support plan you used earlier, complete the behaviours, triggers and early warning signs columns in order. Diagnosis and medical information. Please do not just put the name of the diagnosis. We need to give further description. Let's take a look at the details why. Whilst assisting him with personal care, John replies he has brushed his teeth already. If the information surrounding John's diagnosis had been included in the plan, the carer would have been more informed around John's confabulation and what this meant regarding communication. Maybe the person is pacing constantly, looking anxious or rocking vigorously with their head down. All of these examples could be linked to the medication side effects and should have been identified during the previous functional analysis. Complete the diagnosis column, including a description of how this affects a person's communication and well-being. And on to the next column. The functional need. Remember, all of the 4 sets of needs are in relation to why the person is displaying behaviour. Escape or avoidance. This can be from an environment or a person placing a demand.
Simon, taxi's here.
The person is hypo, sensitive to sight, sound, taste, touch or smell. Hypo means they like it and want more. And remember, there may be a primary and a secondary need, and the plan would address both. Primary proactive, 70% of the plan. Secondary de-escalation, 20% of the plan. And tertiary reactive, 10% of the plan. But remember, tertiary reactive strategies do not teach. That's why 70% of the support plan is primary proactive.
The primary proactive column is where you're going to coach the person that they can meet their needs without the behaviours that challenge. Strategies may include social stories, consequence
Event may be personal care, transport or shopping.
demands. All of these, the aim is to return the person back to baseline.
Using the plan you have been working on, place each strategy in the column you think it primarily fits. Remember, you can pause the film at any time to discuss each strategy before committing to a column.
Welcome back. How did you do on the knowledge check? I have now coached you on the column by column process of completing a positive behaviour support plan.
And finally, what's needed is everyone involved in the person's care must read and sign the circle of commitment to say they will follow the plan in the best interests of the individual.
Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all again on another Behaviour Coach interactive training film. Goodbye.
Hey Simon, the baseball game's about to start. You need it.
Oh yes, the baseball game, no problem. Play ball! In your batter's box. Nice bunt. Went quite well. I think it went well. Heck, you just run smooth quite all the way through that. It's not bad at all. Yeah. Okay, did you switch the camera? Bye!